In this video, I will be showing you how to create a step-by-step diagram in Napkin AI. Let's get started. I'll begin by selecting the blank napkin option from the home screen to start with a clean workspace. Once the page loads, I'm going to type in my project title, How a Solar Panel Works. Next, I'll click just below that and paste in my prepared text that outlines the 4 main steps of the solar energy process. To turn this text into a visual, I'll click the small generate icon that appears next to my text. This brings up the AI suggestions panel on the left side of the screen. I can choose the general style I want from these initial options, and once I've picked a style, I can refine it further by looking through different categories like mind maps, processes, or timelines. I'm going to select the flowchart category under the process menu to see more technical design variations. I'll click on a specific design to generate the diagram on my canvas. I can even click through the other suggested designs in the sidebar to instantly update the look until I find the perfect one. Now it's time to start editing the visual. I'll click the title of the diagram and change the font for a more professional feel. To get full control over the layout, I'll click the Ungroup button, which lets me move and edit the individual boxes freely. Now I can start changing the colors to make the diagram pop. I'll change the first box to green, the second to purple, the third to orange, and the final box to blue. And there you have it. That's the complete process of creating a step-by-step diagram in Napkin AI.